Hey, what's up, everybody? Vlog number 4 here. It's Thursday. My new banner on my YouTube page says videos Tuesdays and Thursdays. So here's one for this Thursday. I released one, I think, on Monday, so it was a little early, but you got one anyways. That one was documenting what I do in lessons. That one was the Famous by Ty Dolla $ign. That was just a little short tutorial that I sometimes just text or email students as they're leaving a one-on-one lesson with me. So it's not going to be super informative or maybe not even good at all, but I'm still documenting the process. So I posted that one on Monday. Go check that one out. By the way, hit subscribe if you like these. I spend a lot of time working on this stuff, and there's going to be a lot of really cool videos coming out over the course of the next year and hopefully for years to come. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about my week. I've been helping with, on top of everything else I do with all my 40, 50 plus students, gigs, and my church music director job. This week I also help with VBS at Journey Church International, so I had to be there at 8 a.m. every morning, take my 2 kids there, have them sit around for an hour and a half while I do run through with the student band, make sure they know all the songs for the day, and then the VBS started at 9:30, so my kids just sat around waiting for that to happen all week, every morning, and it's been exhausting, basically. Yeah, so today, last day of VBS, and then came home, did all my emails, tried to shoot a quick little tutorial, tried to keep those chops up on my phone. Didn't get it done, wasn't really happy with what I was going on, plus I had a student coming in pretty quick. But anyways, still practice, still me working on the craft, and then I taught guitar from like 2:30 to 8, and yeah, now I'm finished, just finally had some dinner, and figure I'd throw a vlog up on YouTube, let you guys know how it's going. This is getting weird because the lighting is getting darker. There's my dog Bandit right there. He's wandering in the backyard, who knows, soiling the ground, I'm sure. Either way, hope you guys have a great weekend. Be on the lookout. Hit subscribe, because be on the lookout. I am working on the content and the class modules for my beginner guitar online class that I'm going to release. It's going to be really good. I'm hoping to have it done by September or October. Yeah, I'm trying really hard on it. I have all the stuff ready to go. I just need to shoot the video, edit it, put it in a good looking package, and get it out there. But in between that, I'm also going to be, like I said, documenting the whole process. I'm going to be posting next Tuesday. I'm going to do another post. I'm not sure if it'll be a vlog or a lesson video, but definitely by next Thursday or Friday, hopefully Thursday, because that's what it says on the banner. I'm going to post a higher quality YouTube, or well, you know it's YouTube, but a higher quality guitar tutorial that one of my students actually requested a couple weeks ago that I worked up, and it should be pretty good. We'll see. I'm going to continue to document the process. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, hit subscribe. Once again, my name's Brett. Thanks for following along. Have a good night. Have a good weekend, especially that.